Hello and welcome to Ought in Math. In this edition of Ought in Math, we're going to practice a couple of problems involving linear inequalities. In the first question, we're asked to decide whether the given value represents a solution of the inequality. So the inequality is x minus 2 is greater than negative 4, and the solution is negative 1. So what we're going to do, the potential solution, the given value, what we're going to do is we're going to plug in that value of negative 1 for x, and we're going to see if that makes the statement true. So I'd rewrite this as negative 1, I plug it in for x, minus 2 is greater than negative 4. I simplify the left-hand side of the inequality. Negative 3 is greater than negative 4. And in fact, that's true. Negative 3 is greater than negative 4. So yes, it does represent a solution. In the second question, we're asked to solve an inequality. Okay, so remember, this is a compound inequality. It has or if it has and, it's also a compound inequality. So what we're going to do is we're going to take care of solving each of the inequalities, and then we're going to draw a number line, and then we're going to see what regions incorporate the solution or a set of solutions for this compound inequality. So x minus 2 is less than 3. I can rewrite that by adding 2 to both sides. X is less than 5. Okay. On the right-hand side inequality, x minus 3 is greater than 4. I add 3 to both sides. I get x is greater than 7. Okay, so it can be either x is less than 5 or x is greater than 7. So now I'm going to write my number line, or draw my number line. And I identify 7 here. And I'm going to identify 5 here. And in this case, x is less than 5. So I'm going to note that x is less than 5. And x is greater than 7. And of course, it's not inclusive of 7, just greater than 7. So we can see that the solution set is going to be anything less than 5 or greater than 7. So your answer would be just as it's written here. X is less than 5. And then you'd write or x is greater than 7. Okay, that's that is your final answer. In the last question, we're asked to solve a word problem. So some people like to go to 7-Eleven to eat food, and some people like taquitos. So 7-Eleven has sponsored a taquito eating contest, and they wanted to create an inequality that represented the number of taquitos that were consumed. Now, they gave each contestant 3 minutes to eat as many taquitos as they could. The winning entrant consumed 50 taquitos, and the slowest entrant consumed only 10. So they want us to write an inequality that represents the various outcomes of this contest. X is going to be the number of taquitos eaten. I know that the smallest number is going to be 10, so it's going to be x is going to be greater than or equal to, and I know the largest is going to be 50. So on the right-hand side of the inequality, it's going to be 50 less than or equal to 50, because we know, again, that someone ate 50. So the range is going to be between 10 and 50, and x is going to have to be between these two values. So x will either be greater than or equal to 10 or less than or equal to 50.